Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing out there today? I hope this video finds you doing well. Today we are at a house that we've done work at before. We've cleaned out this house here, and today we are going to clean out this shed behind me. I have been in here before, and there's some junk and there's some good stuff. Fortunately, that's our only light, and it's all got to go except the wood stays. So there's a blower. The wagon stays as well. But what caught my eye last time I was here was right over here. Look at that baby. Aren't you excited, James?
Toys for you.
Toys, toys, toys.
I know.
A boy and his toys. Got some dirty Legos. Want some dirty Legos, James?
This still works.
What is it?
It's a torch.
You're just a big silhouette, so I can't see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay. Cool. All right. Now let's check out the Milwaukee case. Let's see if there's anything in that. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Ah. Ooh, wow.
Never been used, maybe once.
Maybe once. Holy cow. That's a beauty. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm back on. You know what? Let's see if we can't.
That looks like that's a light.
Yeah, let's see if we can plug her in and get some more light in here. There we go. Ooh, that's warm too. That should give us some light here. So, all right. Wow. Oh, so this is a sucker.
Yeah, there's some that blow and some that suck and mulch them.
Huh. Okay.
This is a nice clamp.
Yeah, there's another one right there on the floor by your feet. Nice clamps.
Okay. There's two more.
There's two more up there. You gotta love cleanouts like this, don't you? There's a mini lamp. Oh, look at this.
What we got there?
It's the same kind of lamp, but it's a clip-on.
So you can move it around? Or
Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
Huh. I like that.
Like that. See, look at that, man. Oh boy. Look at this screwdriver, man. That'd be a number 4 or something.
Oh, that's a fathead
That's a
screwdriver.
fat boy. Look at this. We got a little trash bag action. Probably gonna need that.
Oh yeah.
Here's a weight for you. Need one make some muscles.
Is it that's about your size, about a pound.
Oh, it's about 5. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, Ace is the place.
Helpful hardware store.
Oh, rusty bits.
You know good.
Some screwdrivers. Some goggles.
Something smells like, oh, it's that lamp.
Here's some high-end drill bits. Oh, there's another set right here. Okay. Good times. Here's your golf balls. Man, this is what I needed when I was dumpster diving. Look at the length of that thing, man. I've never seen a grabber that long.
Is there locks on these tires? Oh, they're flat. Never mind.
They're flat. Yep, really flat.
Okay.
Well, it's even got some grip to it. Ourselves a still weed eater.
Is it gas?
I'm sure it is, yeah.
You need a spreader?
See if it's got compression or not. Oh yeah. That'll start up. I forgot I was going to take a before and after picture for her.
A little saw table? Oh, that's an edger.
Yep, edger. There's a two-wheel cart. Oh my gosh, there's four carts in here.
4?
These two.
You might be able to use this.
All right, we got this two-wheel cart here. Can I hand this to you?
Yeah.
It's a nice wide cart. You got James's sled from when he was a boy.
Hey! You know what? That just reminded me of National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
Right?
Here's your pool for you. So
Yep, my kiddie pool, right?
after you, when that heat wave comes, you need something to sit in.
Right? I didn't realize this was here. This is a tree saw.
Tree saw. Oh boy.
Tree saw. Old style hand saw, huh? That's a tree saw too.
Tree saw?
Yep.
Well, it's a saw. It's a
Yeah,
hand
that's
saw.
it. Yep. Got another extension cord. So we were going through the comments in some of the videos last night, and some of you think I'm a little bit too hard on James. You know.
Let me tell you, he's not even close.
Believe me, James gives as good as he gets.
Yeah. It's just you guys see him on camera a lot more because he has the headset and everything. And
Right? And I edit the video, so if he's making fun of me, I can block it out.
Yep. It's always a good time.
Always a good time. I was talking with Craftsman Pallet Man the other day. He goes, well, my channel is very, very G-rated. And I said, yeah. We try to make ours PG. Okay, got a router table. Craftsman.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. Definitely not scrapping it. Post hole digger.
Yep, I know exactly what that is.
That's a lot of work, is what that is.
It's like, there you go.
Level.
Big long one.
It's on the level.
It is.
Black & Decker edger. Actually, one of the last videos, somebody said, I really love your and James's interactions, and you guys are funny, and puts a smile on my face. I said, that's good. That's what this is all about. It's definitely not about YouTube revenue, because that's not so good.
YouTuber's never, unless you have 100,000 subs.
Yeah. Scrapping pallet.
Like some,
Oh, my saw beats your saw.
that does. My dad used to have one similar to that. Hey, there's a table saw or miter saw or something down there.
That is a scroll saw.
Oh, okay. I seen it. I didn't know which one it was.
We'll educate you. There's no blade on this scroll saw, everybody. No.
You probably get those at any price, I imagine.
Yeah. It's a Craftsman. Pretty rusty though. Oh!
Uh-oh, he found it.
Oh, James, look what you found!
I didn't find it, you found it.
Scroll saw.
Now, oh, maybe
Jigsaw.
Yes, but they're pretty good.
Screwdriver set. Missing one screwdriver. Got some jigsaw blades, which we can definitely use them. We got some screws, some maps,
Got some mystery box for what we got.
and then we got the good major crescent wrench action right there.
It's not a crescent wrench.
What is this, James?
It's not a crescent wrench.
It's not a crescent wrench.
No. That is a, that's probably actually a pipe wrench for that one, but I don't know. But the crescent wrench has the one where you spin your thumb on it to open it and shut it. So that would happen to be a, I don't know what that is.
All right, everybody, in the comments of this video, do you consider this to be a crescent wrench or not? And we'll see if James is right.
Oh, I'm waiting for the answer for that for real now. You know what the crescent wrench is, right?
That is a crescent wrench.
That is not.
Oh, you're right. That's a crescent wrench.
That's what
Oh,
I
you're
told
right.
you.
You're right. What do they call these? They're not.
No, it's like a it's
I know it's a pipe wrench, plumber's wrench, but what the?
Channel locks.
Damn it!
I couldn't.
I hate it when he's right.
I could not think for nothing what it was for whatever reason.
Channel locks. You're absolutely correct. It's scrap metal.
Okay.
Dang it, James! Stop being right all the time.
I'm never right. Just once in a blue moon.
All right, we got the Craftsman Professional. Oh, that's pretty. The Speed Lock complete set. That might just go right in my back pocket. Got a nice hammer.
That is a nice hammer.
A nice hammer. I don't know what that would be. Ratchet. Nurse ratchet.
Nurse ratchet.
Whoa, I've never seen anything like that.
This looks like a side.
Fine Bosch fine cut.
Is it a tile cutter?
I think it's for like maybe trim. I don't know. I've never seen one like it. Let's see if it works. Let's see here. You're gonna have to go bye-bye. I've never seen. Wow.
New blade on it.
Yeah, new blade, maybe. I just have a feeling we're gonna have more keep from this one than throw. Like, I'm gonna keep those two items.
Like, okay, like.
That's wood.
All I know is it better be rested.
That's scrap. It's too old, too far gone. Oh, thought that was mostly plastic. Sounds like metal now.
I'm gonna
Alright everybody, we got all the miscellaneous stuff swept up into the little pool, and here is the finished product. All cleaned out, ready to go for the new homeowners. Looks pretty good. So I think we're going to charge her $200 for this job, and we got some nice goodies along with it.